By now, your client should have been loaded and your task would have scheduled. This means that your team can now start working in the app. Below, we do offer links to some more setup functions like adding your rates and retainers, as well as doing a bulk upload of directors and shareholders. However, this is not needed for your team to actually start working within Data Grows. In this video, I'll show you a basic overview of a typical day within the app just to get you going. Let's get to it. All of your clients have now been loaded onto your client table. To switch on more services for any client or to alter any information for a client, simply click on that client record, expand the view, add the information you need, or switch on more services. After you're done, click Save, and those tasks will schedule. Your normal day will start within your All Tasks Due table. This is where all of your reminders will schedule. If a due date goes pink, it means that that due date was overlooked for some reason. If a task goes yellow, it means that the due date is coming up within the next 7 days. Anything below that is for a future date. To work on any of the tasks, simply click on the little blue icon that will take you to the task table filtered on that specific task. I can work on this task by expanding the view and then changing my status to in progress. All of our automated tasks follow a similar structure where they have a summary section at the top. This contains your client name, a grouping, the type of task, as well as your period and your status. Each of our tasks also contain a note field where you can log any note against this task. So if there's a delay or anything you need to communicate, please use this note field because that pulls through to all of our reporting. After that, you have your team assigned to the specific task and then a detailed section. The details section differs per task. You can use these checkboxes as you work through the task and save at any point, then come back and continue working on the task. Once a task has been invoiced, you can also mark it as invoiced and add an invoice number. Once I know that I'm completely done with this task, I can mark it as complete by changing the status to completed. This will then move the task away from my main table into my archive table where it will stay for historical purposes. So that shows you a basic navigation within the app to work on any of our automated tables. If I just quickly run through a list of the tasks that we schedule automatically within the app, based on the information that you gave us in the client table and the services that you have switched on, the app will automatically schedule accounting, VAT returns, CIPC annual returns, your financials, compensation fund ROE, the EMP 201, EMP 501 biannual recon, payroll, UIFU filing. Under our tax department, we then schedule corporate tax returns, income tax individuals, provisional tax returns, as well as turnover tax. These automated tasks will schedule and keep on scheduling, so you can just continue doing the work. There are 2 other ways that you can navigate to a task within Data Grows, the first of which is going directly to the table. If you know that today you will be working on accounting only, you can go directly to the accounting task, click on any of the records and start working. As you complete more of the tasks, your record count at the bottom will reduce until new tasks are scheduled. So as your month progresses, your list gets shorter and shorter. Another way you can navigate to the task is through the client table. If you want to do work for a specific client for that day, then you can simply click on the client record over here, expand your view, and navigate directly to that task through the tabs here at the top. There you will find the task, then you can click on it and again start working on the task. So that covers a basic workflow within Data Grows. You should now be ready to start working on your tasks. In the next video, we'll cover our 4 manual tables that we have within the app. These will help you to schedule tasks that are unique to you, as well as keep track of your CIPC as well as SARS tasks.